How to change apply audio settings in sound mode on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. In sound mode, go to sound mode settings. In sound mode setting, you can see here the apply audio settings. And the apply audio settings is set into current source. So okay guys, now you can change the apply audio settings by go to this and you can change into all source. And that's it, we have successfully changed the apply audio settings. And if you want to back into current source the apply audio settings in your sound mode, okay, select the current source. And that's it, we have successfully changed apply audio settings in sound mode on Devant Smart TV.